Sea beet can be eaten raw or cooked. Used in salads, soups, juices, and decoctions. As other sea vegetables, at least 4 to 5 servings per week are recommended, although the serving size will depend on the form, raw, cooked, etc. Sea beet helps combat cancer and tumors. The juice and decoction are used to help in fighting off tumors, leukemia, and other forms of cancer such as breast cancer, esophagus cancer, cancer in glands, head, intestines, leg, lip, lung, prostate, rectum, spleen, stomach, and uterus. Some bioactive compounds such as betacyanin and anthocyanin are important in the exchange of substances of cancer cells. The oxidation of amines in choline present in seed beet produces betaine, whose absence induces tumor. Also, seed beet helps to normalise hormone levels. Some types of cancer such as breast cancer are related to hormonal imbalance, so the possible hormonal regulation of seed beet is beneficial. Seed beet helps with thyroid health. Sea beets are a source of iodine, an essential mineral for proper functioning of the body, as it is essential for the formation of hormones T3 and T4, which are thyroid hormones related to cell metabolism, in addition to being related to growth and development. They can be consumed daily. The leaves are generally eaten, previously cooked. The roots taste sweet and can be used like sweet potato. Sea beet helps in the normal function of the thyroid. Edible seaweeds are some of the most sources of iodine, and sea beets are one of them. Iodine is important for the normal functioning of the thyroid. Sea beet promotes regular bowel movement as it is high in fiber. Studies have shown drinking 17 ounces of beet juice daily enhances athletic endurance and can increase oxygen use. To maximize the effect of beet juice on athletic performance, it's best to consume beet juice 2 to 3 hours before training or exercising. Sea beet can significantly lower blood pressure after only a few hours of consumption. Sea beets are full of vitamins, minerals, and medicinal plant compounds. They are low in calories and high in fiber, folate, manganese, and dietary nitrates.